Yes, initially I started as a test series student, and since my answers were very good and I had such content, I was also associated with you and in the evaluation team as well. It was a great experience for me because I also, apart from being in the evaluation team, I also learned many things, and your materials, especially for the IR part, it was very helpful, and it was very special, sir, connection. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, optional test series is very much tricky, sir, because
So, Shiva, many congratulations to you.
thank you, sir. Thank you,
So, this you have written the first main this year, and I guess this should give confidence to the aspirants that it is possible to have good rank in first mains Excel.
Yes, sir.
So, tell us something about yourself, your journey, and about your association with.
Yes, sir. So this is my 7th attempt in UPSC, and for the first 6 prelims, attempt, I was not able to clear the prelim stage, and since 2018, I have been preparing for mains. Even though I did not clear prelims, I was having a clear idea in my head that only prelims is the biggest struggle for me, and if I get a chance to clear prelims, I should utilize that attempt only. So since I was preparing for mains for a long time, this year I was able to clear prelims in one go, mains in one go only, sir.
That's great. How, tell us something about your association with us.
Yes, sir. Initially I started as a test series student, and I was being mentored by Ram sir, and since my answers were very good and I had such content, I was also associated with you and in the evaluation team as well. It was a great experience for me because I also, apart from being in the evaluation team, I also learned many things, and your materials, especially for the IR part, it was very helpful, and it was very special, sir, connection.
Good to know this.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, Shwar, what special you did this year for your pre-exam? Has pre is now a month away.
Yes, sir.
So, do you want to tell something to the student that how they can prepare for their pre, and what different you did this year? What you think that which has helped you to qualify your pre-exam?
Yes, sir. So I did not do any drastic changes in this year prelims, but one thing I did different was I gave a number of mocks, sir. Approximately I gave around 80 mocks this time for the general studies paper, and I also made an effective revision of all the mocks that I attended, and I have a fear for the crowd, sir. So to overcome that crowd fear, I did all the mocks, most of my mocks in offline mode only, and apart from the general studies part, even though I am a little strong in CSET also, I missed the last 3 prelims by 0.5 marks in CSET, sir. So this time I did not give any chance, and I did all the chapters thoroughly from CSET, and I gave nearly 20-25 marks for CSET also. And in the proper exam timings, like how we used to do go for the UPSC main exam, the timings were also similarly. My test schedule will be on time, sir. In the afternoons, 2:30 to 4:30, I will do every day CSET. So that helped me in being in the track for a sustained time. Yes,
Okay. So, like now, please very close. You want to share something with those who are preparing and they will appear for this year pre-exam? Any few tips for them? Special tips from your side?
So only one special tip I would share, because everybody, those who are thinking of giving an attempt this year would have sufficiently prepared, sir. But where they will be lacking is the mocks, sir. People will first try to consolidate everything, and then they will plan to give mocks. That it will not work out, because if we start preparing, no sir, we will keep on going. We'll not be able to prepare within the limited time. So I would suggest always start by preparing from mocks only. From mocks we can get many points, and we'll be able to revise all the subjects in one single test. So giving full mock test before a month of prelims every day, I think is a must, sir.
What you are trying to tell, but we also keep telling students that after sufficient reading will not help you more.
Yes, sir.
Writing is test, and you should come out of the fear of writing test. That was done.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay. And last thing, Shubha, like you said that with those means next year is still far, but as we are discussing your strategy here, as you said, tracking mocks will help you a lot in pre. Same way, what is the role of the test series in mains?
Yes, sir.
And especially if I ask about the mains test series for optional.
Yes, optional test series is very much tricky, sir, because in general studies, whatever limited knowledge we have, we can write, make a good content, sir. But in optional, we need have a little specialization. We need to mention scholars, the books, and such areas and all is very much important, sir, for getting that 2-3 extra marks in questions. So we have to have a continuous answer rating for the optionals also, sir. It is very must.
So what students what students expect from a good test series, if I say that?
Yes, sir. In a good test series, apart from the knowledge part, the content part, we should have a comprehensive evaluation, sir. From the introduction to conclusion, we should have a comprehensive evaluation, and I got that in Rao's test series, and Ram sir helped me a lot in comprehending.
When you were checking the students, when you were checking the tests which are being written by the aspirants to the part of the evaluation team.
Yes.
So what you were telling me, what you were saying is you used to tell these things to the students
Yes,
in the
sir.
feedback,
Yes, sir.
and checking the test help you to
Yes.
score well in your ways.
Yes, sir. Actually, I as an evaluator, I found the same question can be answered in a number of ways, and that gave me an idea also how people are thinking. For nowadays, the optional questions are also a little bit. It needs analysis, sir. So everybody's analysis is different, and it helped me a lot. And Ram sir also was asking me to give more reviews and more comments for every answer. So that greatly helped me also.
Good to know this. So wishing you very best of luck for your future.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.